everyone, Dave Myers here, KooKoo for KooKoo. We're on Cooking with KooKoo, and today we're gonna kind of try to cool off a little bit with some nice cocktails, easy cocktails. And we're gonna do 4 cocktails today. We would like to start off with an orange banana daiquiri. What we need is a blender cup for our blender. We are going to put in some ice first. Get our ice, half of a banana, and then we're gonna hit you up with some of the orange dream mixture from the KooKoo Exchange. This does have cocoa in it, but it's orange flavored. Kind of does remind you of a dreamsicle. So we got a 1/4 cup of the orange dreamsicle mixture. A light rum, 1 ounce. 1 ounce of spiced rum. After we're 1 ounce of spiced rum, we're gonna hit the blender. Give it a pour in the old glasserino. Oh, it's actually going in. Look at that. Oh, so cool. And then we're just gonna garnish it to give it a little color with an orange. The straw. And so there you have it, an orange and banana daiquiri with orange dream martini mix from the KooKoo Exchange. Let's see what this baby tastes like. Now I'm starting to drink. Oh my gosh, that is delicious. We're going to add a little spice to this one. It's called the Spicy Margarita. Still refreshing and cool and nice for a summer drink. So let's start off with the Spicy Margarita. Got your handy little baby shaker here, and we fill the shaker about half full of ice. If you were able to see, the cool part about the TCE or KooKoo Exchange shaker is it has the measurements on the side, and I can't really. Oh, also helps take the lid off. Maybe there was more alcohol in that daiquiri than I thought. So we're going to go 3 ounces. That's about 6 ounces right there. 2 ounces of Cointreau. It's not necessary to use Cointreau. This is the high-end stuff. I had never tried it before, so I just wanted to see what it was like. Now we need an ounce of lime, and once again, fresh lime juice is the best. Now this is where the spicy part comes. Hot chili sauce, green hot chili sauce from the KooKoo Exchange. It is a very popular sauce used in a lot of their recipes. Now, teaspoon of hot sauce. Obviously, hot sauce people have various degrees of hot sauce tolerance. So you can put none, you can put some. Here we're gonna line the rim of our glass. Now we give our little margarita a shake. Where's the music? Pour this in. Top it off with some fresh ice for a garnish. And there you have it. Spicy margarita with KooKoo Exchange green hot chili sauce. If I taste this one, I might fall in the pool, but you know what? I'm going to taste it anyway. It definitely gets better with practice. It's definitely spicy with a teaspoon. There you have it. Spicy margarita with green hot chili sauce from the KooKoo Exchange. Their next beverage will be the chocolate lava colada, and we use a martini glass for that. We use chocolate martini mix from the KooKoo Exchange, and some other stuff that I'll get to. So first thing, we got plenty of ice to go. You got your chocolate martini mix, same thing as with the orange martini mix. You need to give it a good shake. We're gonna guesstimate 2 ounces. Is it coming out? Coming out, coming out. 2 ounces of cream of cocoa. 2 ounces of a new find. I think this is really good. Pineapple rum. And we give that baby a good shake. For a good 20-30 seconds. Now into the martini glass we go. Now this is where the recipe stops, right here. But we thought that it needed a little bit of more snazzed up. So we're going to add a little whipped cream to the top. And the really final piece de resistance is the chocolate round. We've got a warm spice chocolate round here. These are really good. Chocolate lava colada. But as nice as it's cold, it's great. All right, up next is our blackberry mojito. This mojito has rum, but it has the KooKoo exchange in it, and it's the blackberry chipotle sauce. So we're gonna start with a glass, and we're gonna start with blackberry chipotle sauce. A teaspoon of blackberry chipotle sauce. This stuff is really popular. We're gonna just put some in there. Maybe that just doesn't look like much, so we're gonna put some more. Then we are going to go with 1 ounce of mint. Oh, 1 ounce of mint. Yep, been drinking too much. 1 ounce of honey. We're going to go with 1 ounce of this stuff. Then we're going to go with 6 to 7 mint leaves. We're going to go with 2 ounces of rum. Now we'll stir that up a little bit. Now we can put some ice in there. Top this off. About to wind down. We top this off with... Did you get that? Mm-hmm. Club soda. Instead of cool off, I should have called this blast off. Now give that a stir. Now we're going to garnish this baby with a couple of blackberries, some mint, lime. There it is. Blackberry mojito with KooKoo exchange, blackberry chipotle sauce. Oh my goodness. We may have saved the best drink for last. This is so good. Any one of these drinks are awesome for the summer. They're not that hard to make. I mean, I'm not a bartender, just like I'm not a cook. So until next time, we hope you enjoy the rest of your summer. Hope you stay cooled off with KooKoo's Cool Off drink. Take care. Steve Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo.